The board is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this was the question. Any answer from your side? Okay. Is 10. 5C2 is 10.
Sir,
Hmm.
excuse me, sir. Got the answer, sir. I had small steps, sir. That's why I didn't speak.
Hmm.
Sir, I got x equal to 1 by 100 and 100.
1 by 100 and 100.
Yes, sir.
Let us check. Hmm?
Yes.
You may be partially correct. This 5C2 is 10. See, whenever variable to the power variable is there, at least once we will think of taking log. I told you earlier also. Whenever variable to the power variable is there, taking log to the base 10, here 100 is there. To the base 10. So this will be log 1 minus log x cube. The base is 10 plus log operating on this. This is one number log m to the power n. it will come this side. Equal to log 100 to the base 10, 2. Okay. Now log m by n, log m minus log n. Okay. So this can be written as minus 3 log x base 10 plus this is m to the power n log, you know this thing log m, but irrespective of the base is equal. Okay, so this whole number is some m to the power n. So this will come here 2 times of log base 10 x to the power log x base 10 equals to 10 square. Now x to the power something, treat this is as m log m to the power n. So it will come here again. Okay. So this becomes minus 3 log x base 10 log x base 10 plus 2 times of into log x base 10 equals to, let log x base 10 equal to some t. This becomes 2t square minus 3t minus 2 equals t 0. 2t minus 1 into t plus 2. 2t square minus t plus 4t. Wait. 2t square plus t minus 4t, correct. T equal to minus 1 by 2, comma 2. Now we are looking for the value of x. Log x base 10 equals 2. Implies x is 100. Antilog x will be 10 square. Is antilog. Next, log x base 10 equal to minus half. Implies x is 10 to the power minus half. Implies x equal to 1 by root 10. Now, we have taken log and all because this is not the original equation we solved. This is the original equation. So finally, we have to check the original equation. X is 100 and 1 by root 10. So everywhere this will be defined. This term is defined for both the values of x. Here also everything is defined. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are two possible values. X is 100 and 1 by root 10. Any doubt anywhere?
No doubts. Clear. Sir, you are on mute, sir. Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Still people are coming. I don't know why you are late. Before this class, any class was there?
No, sir.
So this is the first class.
Yes, sir.
So still people are coming. It means they were sleeping. They were sleeping. I'm rubbing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Simplify the quantity. Find M and K in terms of N and R. Find M and K in terms of N and R. Okay, many times this type of question is a basic question. Team, start writing the series from the last. RCR. Okay. Writing the series from end, applying NCR equal to NCN minus R. So using the result NCR equal to NCN minus R. After that, RC0 is 1. See, RC0 equal to R plus 1 C0. Both the values are 1. So that we can use the result NCR minus 1 plus NCR equals how much? Okay. Since RC0 equal to R plus 1 C0, both the values are equal to 1. So just use this result. I can write RC0 as R plus 1 C0. This will be R plus 2 C1, merging this, plus R plus 2 C2, next, if you merge first two, R plus 3 C2, again you can merge with that. Okay, let's write R plus 3 C2. See what happens if I merge these two. This term
plus 3 no sir.
1 minute. So this subscript becomes 2 and this will increase 1, isn't it? So if keep on merging, now before that this will be, this superscript will be this much and subscript will be R plus 3 C2 less than 1. So before this it will be n minus 1 C n minus R minus 2. Look at here how to analyze. If you merge these two terms, this subscript becomes 2 and this becomes 1 plus of this. Okay, so if you merge this term just before this and this number just before this number will be same and this number will be just less than 1. If you merge these two, what will be this? R plus 3 C2. Just this is equal and this term is 1 less. So just before that, this will be same and this number will be just less than 1. Okay. So keep on merging. After this,
Sir,
uh,
one doubt, sir. Sir, in
Uh-huh.
that second step, sir, we got RC0 plus R plus 1 C1. How we are
how
getting?
how
Yes,
how
sir.
we got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Now I'm explaining this one. Many times you can see the previous question paper. This is the basic based on this questions they have asked. See how we will make the sequence. If you merge these two terms, this number will increase by 1. This will be same, the second one. Okay. So just before that, this will be same and this number will be just less than this. Now after merging these two, this will be NC n minus R minus 1. Plus NC n minus R. Now this becomes n plus 1 C n minus R. So final answer is this. Once you write it, I will If you want me, I will explain again.
Yes, sir.
So which step shall I explain?
Now that's the second one.
Which one? This one.
Yes, yes, that one.
See, RCR is RCR minus R. R minus R is 0. R plus 1 CR is R plus 1 C, R plus 1 minus R. R plus 1 minus R is
One.
1. I
Yes,
have written,
yes.
I have written here which result I have used. Here using, after that I have used this result. NCR minus 1 plus NCR equals N plus 1 CR. Is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Sir.
Just compare. If you merge these two terms, what is the relation between this number and this number with the next number?
Sure.
After that, you will be able to write this.
Sir, can you move the camera somewhat downwards? Thank you.
Again, here NCR equal to NC N minus R. That is different number. This one. See, RC0 and R plus 1 C0, both the values are same. I told you NC0 equal to N plus 1 C0 equal to 1. This value is 1, you expand it. Okay. Now, this plus this is N plus 1 CR. This number is just 1 less than this. So here it is 0, here it is 1, only, and this number is same in both the cases. So only then we can use this result. If this superscript is same, subscript is this 1 less than this. Just look at this result. See, R plus 1 C1 will be how much? Equal to R plus 1. It won't be 1. NC1 is N. So R plus 1 C1 will not be RC0. We can't change the originality. Both the values should be same. Okay. See, whenever any topic starts, first day you spend in either NCERT book or IP textbook for basics. Then next day onward, you can move whichever books you have. But my opinion is, after completion of that, not all the question, selected question, either NCERT or IP textbook, next you should try for mains after completion of half of the topic in class. Mains questions are basic, almost board level, 50% question.
Done, sir.
After that, you can move to advanced level. Shall I repeat or you want me to explain something?
Sir, understood.
चलो एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन करो. Find coefficient of x power 53 in this. Just one line. बोलो, it is one line question.
C52.
Hmm?
100 C52.
Ishaq,
Yes, sir.
don't be in a hurry. You got your mistake?
I'm reworking, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. 100 C47.
That is same. 100 C47 or 100 C53, what is the difference? NCR equal to NCN minus R. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
See, this is nothing but x minus 3. Assume this is A, this is B. X minus 3 plus 2 to the power 100. If you expand it binomially, you'll get it. Assuming this is some A, this is some B. This quantity is nothing but x minus 1 to the power 100. This is nothing but 1 minus, you can write 1 minus x. Now, coefficient P53 equal to क्या बोला मैं सही बोला x to the power 53 ना
So, one doubt, sir. Sir, I didn't understand that step, sir. How we wrote x minus 3 plus 2?
एक मिनट just a moment sharp
Yes, sir. I forgot the negative sign.
अच्छा see suppose you assume this is A, this is B. So what is this? Summation of R going from 0 to 100. 100 CR A to the power 100 minus R into B to the power R. This same. If you assume this number is A, this number is B.
Yes.
Is it visible or not?
Visible, sir.
So finally, now what we can write it? This is A plus B to the power 100.
How, sir?
If you expand it binomially, what we'll get?
Yes, sir.
If you expand it binomially, what we'll get? 100 C0 a to the power 100 plus 100 C1 a to the power 99 into B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, understood.
Got it.
You are looking for coefficient of x to the power 53. So minus x to the power 53, it will be 54th term. चलो थोड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन करते हैं Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Next. Find remainder when 5 to the power 99 is divided by 13. I will do this one. The next one I will ask you to try. See, we are dividing by 13. So we have to write it one term, the multiple of 13. So 5 square is 25. 5 square is
20.
25. I can write 26 minus 1. And
Yes, sir.
26 is divisible by 13. 26 is divisible by 13, and now if we expand that, except last term, all the terms will be divisible by 13. Look at here. 5 to the power 99, this is odd. पहले एक काम करो, first you write 100. Okay, I will come 99 next. 5 square to the power 50.
Yes, sir.
5 square is 25. So I am first expanding it properly. 50C0 into 26 to the power 50 minus 50C1 to 26 to the power 49 plus minus 50C49 into 26 plus 50C50 1. 50C50 into 1. You understood? See,
Yes.
directly
Yes,
I
sir.
will write it in the form of sum 26k plus 1. For some k belongs to n. Set a positive integer. See, last term is 1. NCR is always integer. NCR is always integer.
Integer.
So 26 to the power 49 into some integer is this. All the terms except last term are divisible by 26. Can I say it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All the terms except the last term are divisible by 26. So that's why I have written it in that form. Okay. So obviously this is in the form of 13m plus 1. Okay. This will be 13 into 2k. 2k put 2k sum n. So this number we can write in the form of 13m plus 1. So how much is the remainder if you divide by 13?
1. 1.
Very simple. Just see by which number we are dividing and try to write that number in the form of multiple of this. Okay. Now you do 5 to the power 99. Find remainder when 5 to the power 99 is divided by 13. So you write here, remainder is 1.
One minute, sir.
Sir, will it be 8?
Yes. What's your name?
Ishaq.
Good. So 99 is not divisible by 2. We have to take 5 outside. Five into 25 to the power 49. 5 square to the power 49. This equals 5 into 26 minus 1 to the power 49. Now look at here. Power is odd. The last term will be how much? 1 or minus 1?
-1.
Last term will be minus 1, and except last term, all other terms are divisible by 13. All other terms are divisible by 13. So directly you can write it, this equals 5 into 13k minus 1. Can I write it? Or shall I expand it? Shall I write it directly or
No, sir.
expand it?
Understood.
Understood.
Understood, sir.
Because power is odd, so last term will be minus 1. 49c 49 minus 1 to the power 49. Okay. So now, and remainder cannot be 13 into 5k, 5k is m minus 5. Remainder cannot be negative. Remainder cannot be, if you divide some number by 13, can it be negative?
No, sir.
No. So what we do, some 13m minus 5 minus 8 plus 8. This will be minus 13. This will be 13r plus 8. For some r belongs to n. Okay. To make the remainder positive, minus 5 I have, so I have to subtract minus 8 so that it becomes 13. So 13m minus 13 will again divide by r, divide by 13. So 13r plus 8, therefore remainder is 8. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt है तो बोलो.
Sir, that steps are 26 minus 1 whole power 49. After that, what did you do, sir? I think
Just
that
you-
power will also come now, sir. In the second step.
After that,
Power will also come now, sir. In the second step. 5 into 13k minus 1. The whole power 49.
I'm writing. 49 C0 26 to the power 49. Here one.
Yes.
49 C1 26 to the power 48 plus so on. And in the even it will be plus, so 49 C48 26 minus 1 If you expand it, binomially you will get it.
Yes, sir.
So before second last term, all are divisible by 26.
Yes, sir.
What is the last term?
-1.
So that's why I have written here this equals some 5 into 26k minus 1. Can I write it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the idea is very simple. Just try to write this number. Split it in sum of two numbers. One may be positive, one may be negative, and then sum of two numbers in such a way that one number is multiple of divisor. Next question. Find remainder when 7 to the power 103 is divided by 25. Find remainder when 7 to the power 103 is divided by 25. Similar way.
$18.
Correct. Seven to the power 103.
-50 1 into 7.
To the power. Last term will be what?
-7.
Minus 1. Okay.
Minus
And
1.
other terms are multiple of 50.
Yes, sir.
This equals, no need to write, some 25k minus 1. K
Yes, sir.
belongs to n. Shall I expand it or I can write it now?
Directly.
Directly, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just expand it binomially and check. Except last term, all other terms are divisible by 26. Sorry, 25, 50. So again, remainder becomes, this becomes 25m. 7k I put m minus 7. For some m belongs to n. So again here remainder cannot
Minus
be
18 plus 18.
minus 18 plus 18. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Minus 7 minus 18 plus 18. This equals sum 25 k m is over some r. R belongs to n. So remainder is 18.
Yes, sir.
Similar type. Find last two digits of 3 to the power 400. Just think of. You have to extend binomially.
Sir, what's the question, sir?
Find last two digits. If you multiply 3 400 times, 3 into 3 into 3, what will be the last two digits? Question is find last two digits. Of 300, 3 to the power 400. One more question I'm giving. Just for thinking. Find remainder when just think of this second one. This is simple. 2021 to the power 3762. Think of. Find remainder when this is divided by 17. Any idea about this? 3 to the power 400?
Is the answer
Well-
81?
Answer is
81. 8 and 1.
1 and 0, sir.
uh,
1 and 0.
see, whenever we want to find the last digits or last two digits or last three digits, write the base number, split it, sum of two terms, and one term
10.
should be multiple of 10. One term should be multiple of 10. Okay. So that it will have 0. So 3 to the power 400, you split it. Equal to
9 power 200.
100 equal to 81 means 80 minus 1 to the power 100.
80 plus
Sir,
1,
80
sir.
plus 1.
80 plus 1. So just look at here 100 C0 80 to the power 100 so on 800 C 98. Hundred square. What is last term? ये आएगा ना. Next will be plus 100 C 99. 100 plus 100 C 100. Here, all the before this term, last 3 digits will be 0 minimum. This is 100. 100 into 100. How many zeros are there in this number?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Uh,
So, how we got 100 C 98 into 100 square? That just above step, sir.
second, this one.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is last term. This is second last. This is third last.
Sir, but still 100.
C0, C1, C2 up to somewhere it will come 100 C98
Yes, sir. 98.
and 100 to the power 100 minus 98
Yes, sir, correct.
plus 100 C99 into 100 to the power 100 minus 99 plus
Sir, 80
100
power
C
and
100.
like that.
Huh?
Base was
Sorry.
80, no, sir.
You will get no, sir. That.
Sorry. अरे ये बोलना था ना तुमको. मैं सोचा 100 है. Sorry. Last term will be how much? One only, na?
Yes, sir.
100 C 100 into 1. So here it is 100 into 80. 100 into 80. How many zeros are there at the end? 2. This number will be of which form? Some number will be here like that.
Yes, sir.
100 C 99 is how much? 100. 100 C 99 is
100.
100.
100. 100 into 80.
8,000.
830. Like that. 100 into 80. This. So we bother only about last 2 digits. Here also last 2 digits will be 0. 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
Here also last 2 digits will be
0.
Like that others. Will it be or not?
Yes, sir.
In all these terms, last 2 digits will be 0 except the
Last one.
last term.
Which is
So the numbers will be something like this: 0, 0 to add up. Before that, whatever it is, 0, 0, last term, 0, 1. What will be the last 2 digits?
0, 1.
0, 1. Okay? Just think of the other one. It's a little bit for thinking. Okay? So what I told you, listen carefully. Initially, whenever you start some topic, don't go to higher books, Engage or something, TMS or whatever you have. To clear the basics, you one day, whenever any new topic starts in the class, you spend at least 1 day or 2 days, not more than 2 days, in basic books, either NCERT or IP textbook. Okay? After completion of that, you can move to mains level questions, previous years. And simultaneously, whenever you have doubt, you go to the book. And then move to advanced level. This is the way. Right from beginning, if you start that big book, you will get confused. Okay? Clear one, first basics should be clear. If basics are clear, other things automatically can be solved. So, ठीक है. Shall I disconnect?
1 minute.
1
sir.
minute, sir, 1 minute.
And as I told you, 50% questions of mains totally based on the IT textbook or NCERT book. You can see. So that's why 1 or 2 days you have to spend on those basic books.
Done, sir.
Okay.